Hello again, and yes, it's another update. I didn't know this Sanwa was very easy to disassemble, so I hope I'm not boring you with so many uploads. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Maybe this will go to part 12, like boxing round. So yeah, it's very easy to disassemble, and the wires are well marked in terms of what to wire, where to wire it to, and it's clearly indicated. For example, let me. I always forget my camera is on the left side of my phone. Okay. No, no, no. We want bright. Okay. So this the needle wire is green and yellow, so it's clearly stated on the. Let me try to find with my vision. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So there's a there's a G, and if you can see the G, and then the big M, and then the Y, that is for the meter or the needle mechanism. The G stands for green, Y stands for yellow, which correspond with the wire on the needle mechanism itself. And the LED is also, I need to detach the wire itself. Also, the LED is clearly indicated on the yeah, here. If you can see, let me try to focus. Yeah, so this is the B for stand for the blue wire, Y stands for white wire. I love how the Japanese assemble this. Very easy, very quick, and no screw needed to disassemble the board. It uses some sort of, I don't know what you call this thing, where the snap-on snap-on technology could be. So fits nicely on the grabs nicely on the this part of the PCB, this part of the PCB, and this part of the PCB. Yeah, this is the blown fuse. So I'm seeing a transformer here. I'm not sure what it's for. And yeah, the corroded, the blue and black blue and black corroded area seeping through the board itself. I hope this is not major problem. And looking at the front, yeah, when it's detached from the unit itself, is easily is everything can be seen very easy. So yeah, uh, yeah. So I'm gonna try to maybe do this. See how? Maybe I should use I should have used a rougher grid. Trying to do this, looking at both the with my eyes and through the phone camera, which is very difficult. So use some compressor, manual compressor. Look at the thing, and seems it doesn't do a lot. So I'm gonna proceed to desoldering this. I don't know how it's connected, whether it has a locking mechanism over there. Let me try to yeah, we want bright. Yeah, let me try to humiliate myself trying to solder by looking at what I'm doing. You need to caulk this first, which always annoys me when every time you forget to caulk the manual sucker. Not sure whether this okay, there's a okay, you need to push this in front a bit in order to yeah, yeah, okay, okay, yes. So it has some claw mechanical holding power. So I'm just spitting out whatever English I know here, and weave soldering the last horrible spot. So now that I understand how this goes, and with the guide of this video also that I will use later on, then I will proceed to doing the same on the next point. So I don't know whether I should use some flux to transfer the heat. Let's try. Let's hope it's able to penetrate the I don't think so. So we're gonna use a knife. This is a very spontaneous repair. I never done spontaneous repair with video recording. So whatever humiliation or whatever thing I'm doing wrong here, I hope I'm forgiven, especially from the people of Sanwa. So I hope you will forgive me. And let's unhook this. Okay, same time making a mess of my bench, which is always good because mess means busy, that's work. Come on. Okay, maybe it needs some lead. I'm using a 3-star lead because I can't afford 5-star. So yeah. I hope the corrosion doesn't weaken or thin up or affect the thickness of the contact point. So yeah, so I'm trying to think everything spontaneous now. I'm not comfortable doing any repair in front of camera because I can't focus because I have to look at the thing, and if I look at the thing I'm doing, I'll ignore whatever on captured on my camera, and things might go out of focus, and viewer will be annoyed, pissed off, bad comment will appear down there. So this cannot be redone because once it's done, then you cannot reenact the process anymore. So put some. I'm sure your engineers out there is going to be pissed of my about my so abrasive technique. Yeah. I'm sure Dave from the EEV is going to love watching this. Who does watch my channel? Okay, a little bit of wave. I hope the copper trace is very secure, and we don't want to like pull up the pads. So I hope that Sanwa, some bad smell coming out. Very familiar smell, like burn component or burn copper or something. So yeah. Very hot. So let's use some unorthodox method. Careful so that I don't brush the transformer. I'm sure it's there for a very important purpose. So yeah, that's more or less good enough, and perhaps do some here. So going down to the abrasive. What is this? Felt, I think felt, abrasive felt from 3M. Yeah. I always don't know anything when I when I record and do things, because you know how it is. I'm not a YouTube vlog person, so tend to be nervous, which I'm trying to overcome by doing as many video as possible. So I noticed you can make money with a YouTube video, provided you have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. I'm short of 800 plus. So if you're watching this, please subscribe. I want the money, because those money will be put into use, like buying things and showing here, so that it's going to benefit whoever that owns the similar things that I'm doing repair or review. Or no, I don't think I do review. I'm a bad reviewer. So whatever I share, yeah. So I'm using knife to release more of the covered by corroded pads. Yeah, pad, not pads. Singular, not plural. Okay, alright. This is a good experience to me personally, because as I'm not an English speaker, English is not my mother tongue. So I'm finding doing this help me try to be spontaneous, and you know, those mess up or mistake, you tend to learn something from that. And I see a lot of people, nobody starts like a natural. So I standing the exposed copper, so that I have some lead there, so just for security. So I think the exposed area is sufficient, or is wide enough to accept efficient. Oh, no, not efficient. To accept nominal nominal solder. Okay, so we leave the board aside and go to the now I can't remember which is negative or positive. Never mind, I will use this video as reference. So I'm gonna do some drastic thing first. Now the best thing to do to derust this is to soak this in vinegar. So I don't have time, so I'm just gonna lie to you. So I might put this in vinegar afterwards and leave it one night, and tomorrow I come, hopefully everything is cleared. So yeah, I'm just doing this for the sake of doing video, so that you have some enjoyment. I know some people like me likes to see things gradually from dirty become a bit cleaner. It's a bit fetish satisfaction thing. So some people have that. Yeah, I also have that. I like to watch car wash video, so I don't understand. It's very satisfaction. And the same goes to for machining and electronics, test gear, those kind of thing. When I myself is not capable of producing a very entertaining video, which that explains the low subscribers. Yeah. So that's pretty much the goal of doing the scrubbing and everything, is to make the contact becomes shinier, enabling a better transfer or conductance of energy from the battery to the unit itself. Yeah. So that's basically it. I believe you've seen the meter from disassembled halfway, and this is now full disassembled. So I'm not sure whether I'm gonna take out more of the control or switch. I don't think so. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much, and sorry to take many minutes of your time. Have a nice day, and bye bye.